Okay, we're doing page 87, number 74, further planning our road trip. So if we know we're going to travel 2,000 miles, so the big question is for part A is how long it's going to take. Now, if we travel at 55 miles per hour, so notice we always abbreviate it mph, but that's really 55 miles per hour, then we go to our distance equals rate times time, and my distance of 2,000 equals 55 times time. So then if we divide both sides by 55, that time gives us a time of 36.36 hours. And then if we uh, so this is all for part A. So then if we instead travel, so then 55 miles per hour gets us this. Instead, if we travel at 70 miles per hour, so then that will get us to this. 2,000 equals 70 is my rate times time. And if we do this, then the time it would take us would be 28.57 hours. So traveling at 70 miles per hour instead of 55 miles per hour saves us, look at that, pretty much 8 hours. And we can see that that might be pretty significant. Eight extra hours of your time. So this is all for part A. How long would it take for driving at 55 compared to driving at 70? So, and now we go on to part B, which is how much would that cost? So it goes back to the miles here, 2,000 miles, because at 55 miles per hour, then at 55 miles per hour, then the car gets 38 miles per gallon. So then, therefore, it would be 2,000 divided by 38 miles per gallon gets you how many gallons? And if we do that, then it would take 52 gallons. And then if we look at 52 gallons, now the book gives us a price of $2.55 per gallon. So we can use that. And so therefore 52 gallons at $2.55, that's just multiplication. 52 times 255, $2.55. That gives us a cost of $134.21. But that's not the only thing we're comparing. Let's also compare, supposing I go 70 miles per hour. Okay, now the car gets a little bit less gas mileage, so then that only gets 32 miles per gallon. So I'll do that 2,000 divided by 32. So 2,000 miles divided by 32 miles per gallon gives me how many gallons again? And in this case, then we're going to get, that's going to require a little bit more, so that's going to require 62 gallons. So notice 52 gallons, driving a little bit faster requires 62 gallons. And if we look at the comparison, then over that 2,000 mile trip, then it's 62 gallons times $2.55, and that's going to cost us about $159.38. Now, certainly these days, gas is a little bit more than this, but at these gas prices, notice if I travel at 70 miles per hour, then if we look back to before, then I'm saving about 8 hours of my time. And for that 8 hours of my time, I'm spending about $15 more. So I don't know about you, but 8 hours of my time not spent on the road is definitely worth at least $15. And with gas prices, a little bit more than $3 now, if we, as a bonus, if we compare these, those gas prices, it'd be about 52 times 3 compared to 62 times 3. So the difference might be about $30 instead of 15, but nonetheless, still worth it, I think. So there you go. So we see part A, the comparison, how many hours, and then part B, the comparison, how many gallons, and then therefore how much it would cost. So these are some of the good things that you can do to plan out your road trip. Calculate the miles. You can do that with Google Maps, and you can plot out how long it would take, how many gallons, how much it would cost, and especially for some of the distances that are within, that you find that compare it with other things like airline travel and such. So plan out your road trip, with everything.